Hey guys, today I'm in my special hideout, and I'm gonna prank Naked Pirate Man because I have this mask down there. And also it's in my secret hideout too. So let me just get it on. Do I look ridiculous? I think I should trick Naked Pirate Man. I mean, let me get the side view. It does look a little stupid. His beak is giving it away, but besides that, Naked Pirate Man is kind of stupid too. So, yeah, let's go ahead and leave the secret hideout now. We're leaving. Shoot. Hey guys, I'm Naked Pirate Man, and today I will be playing Five Nights at Freddy's on my computer. And yeah, it's another gameplay video that Josh told me to do because it got a remake. And so yeah, I'm going to play. Okay guys, I'm thinking about tricking him. So I think he might be playing Five Nights at Freddy's on his laptop. And I think I could just sneak up on him. But I have to turn the flashlight off so he won't notice. Alright, so yeah. Let's go over there and scare him. This game is scary, guys. Oh, this is dope action. This is really scary. This is really terrifying right now. Alright, phone guy, shut up. You're annoying. Oh, nice one, Big Bird. You actually got me there for a moment. But I'm not Big Bird. Give me that stupid flashlight. Oh, stop! Big Bird? Where'd you get that mask from? Amazon? Go over there and run your little butt off to Antarctica, whatever. Oh, stupid idiot. Well, that plan didn't work, but since Naked Pirate Man is scared of penguins, I have my very own penguin costume. I can just put it on and scare him. But I forgot what a penguin sounds like. I'm adding penguin sounds in the video, and yeah, just put the suit on and go scare him. Alright? Okay. Alrighty guys, I'm in the suit. Now, let's try and scare him. Leave my door, you dumb idiot! Leave it now! What are you doing? Are you high? Come on, just leave the room now! Oh, leave the stupid room, dumb Bonnie the Bunny. You are so dumb, bro. Just leave. Penguin! Oh, nice one, Big Bird. What? How did you know I was Big Bird? Yeah, the penguin suit fits you, buddy. I knew you for a year. Now go skedaddle and take that stupid flashlight away! Big Bird and its stupid tricks. You dumb fox! Dang it, you dumb fox! Well, guys, that trick might have not worked, but look below you. It's Naked Pirate Man's worst bully ever. He bullied him since 1983. Well, yeah. He also hates the Gamecocks, surprisingly. The rest of us love the Gamecocks, but Naked Pirate Man hates the Gamecocks. I suggest you shouldn't put that mask on, he'll most likely beat you up in the seat. I don't care, I'm a bird. Birds are wild animals. That thing's not going to scare him. He's just going to try to beat you up in the seat. Are you sure? Because just put on the mask, whatever. Okay, jeez. I'm surrounded! I don't like this! I don't like this at all! I don't like this! I'm surrounded! Oh, no! Not the power! Hey! Gamecock pillow! Gamecock! I hate the Gamecocks! You dumb mascot! Big
Shepard, are you in that suit?
No.